Can you believe that one Amazon listing can make $1 million per year? Many people want to start a small business and make money at home and open a web shop, while at the same time because they want to take care of their family and children. But what item is good to sell? So the product selection has become the primary consideration for many Amazon and other e-commerce business owners. Choosing the right product is the most important step for your business. So now I will show you one example how this Amazon seller can earn $1 million in 1 year but only sell one product. They can sell 2 million pieces in 3 years and total net profit is $1 million per year. Are you curious? Why can they do that? Come on, let's analyze this Amazon case together. You'll see their sales price is between $20 to $30. So generally speaking, the Amazon FOB cost is around 10% of the product. And Amazon commission is around 15%, but depends on which product. So you want to know the sourcing cost, right? Normally, the sourcing cost we can check from Alibaba China is around 30 to 35% of the sale cost or more or less. So the net profit normally is 30% about. If the sales price is $26, the profit 30% is about $30.8 per pieces. So if they can sell at least 100,000 per year, then and the net profit is at least $780,000 per year. So are you ready to be an Amazon seller for Widget Trainer? Of course, not all the people can do like Yana, but at least you can see the profit of selling Widget Trainer and Shapewear. It is no doubt a good business trend for you. You can take it as the first concern. Anyway, you want to know more tips on shapewear and other items, please give me a like and subscribe me. See you next time.